Welcome to ArtBeatForce. In this video, you'll learn how to paint a beautiful watermelon in an easy and satisfying way.
First, draw a rough outline sketch with a pencil. Now, apply a light watercolor wash of olive green as the base for the outer skin. Next, mix a little black or brown to create the darker green stripes. Keep it simple for now. Don't go into detailing yet. For the juicy pulp, mix crimson red with a touch of pink and orange to get that rich watermelon color. While painting, leave some small blank spaces. These will act as highlights and make your painting look more realistic. Once the base dries, it's time for details. Take a slightly wet brush and gently wipe over the outer skin to create a natural watermelon texture. For extra detailing, not for beginners, you can use crayons or color pencils. Finally, add a light black wash underneath to create the shadow and give your watermelon a realistic look. And here we have it. Follow ArtBeatForce for more.